Welcome to this complete beginner's guide on getting started with cryptocurrency. If you've been curious about crypto but don't know where to begin, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make your first cryptocurrency investment safely and confidently. Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, crypto is secured by advanced cryptography and operates on decentralized networks called blockchains. This means no single bank or government controls it. Instead, all transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called a blockchain, making them transparent and secure. Let's look at some of the most popular cryptocurrencies you'll encounter. Bitcoin, abbreviated as BTC, is the first and largest cryptocurrency by market value. Ethereum, or ETH, is more than just a currency. It's a platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications. Solana, known as Sol, is a high-speed blockchain designed for fast and low-cost transactions. And Ripple, or XRP, was specifically designed to facilitate quick cross-border payments between financial institutions. Before investing, it's important to understand both the potential benefits and risks. On the benefits side, cryptocurrencies offer high growth potential and can help diversify your investment portfolio. However, you must also be aware of the risks. Crypto markets are highly volatile, meaning prices can swing dramatically in short periods. Additionally, there's regulatory uncertainty as governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate digital currencies. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The first and most crucial step is education. Start by learning the basics, understand what blockchain technology is, how crypto wallets work, and what exchanges do. Research different cryptocurrency projects by reading their white papers and understanding their real-world use cases. Make sure you fully understand the risks, including market volatility and potential security threats. Finally, follow crypto markets regularly to understand price movements and trends. Knowledge is your best protection in the crypto world. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. When choosing an exchange, look for several key factors. First, ensure it has strong security measures and is properly regulated in your country. Check the trading fees, as these can vary significantly between platforms. The interface should be user-friendly, especially if you're a beginner. And finally, make sure the exchange supports payment methods that are convenient for you, such as bank transfers, debit cards, or digital wallets. Creating an account on a crypto exchange involves 3 main steps. First, sign up by providing your email address and creating a strong password. Next, you'll need to complete KYC verification, that's Know Your Customer, which requires submitting government-issued identification documents like a passport or driver's license. This is a regulatory requirement to prevent fraud. Finally, and this is very important, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a code from your phone each time you log in. Once your account is verified, you need to deposit money to buy cryptocurrency. Most exchanges offer several funding methods. Bank transfer allows you to directly deposit money from your bank account, though it may take a few days. Debit or credit cards offer instant purchases but often come with higher fees. In many countries, you can also use UPI or digital wallet services for quick mobile payments. Here's an important tip for beginners. Start with a small amount that you're comfortable losing while you learn how the market works. Now you're ready to make your first crypto purchase. The process is straightforward. First, select which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Beginners often start with well-established options like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, enter the amount you want to invest. You don't need to buy a whole coin, you can purchase fractions. Finally, review the transaction carefully, paying attention to any fees and the total cost, then confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you're now a cryptocurrency investor. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Here are essential practices to protect your investment. For large amounts, use hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, making them immune to online hacking. Always use strong, unique passwords and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Be vigilant about phishing attempts, always verify website URLs, and never share your private keys with anyone. Finally, back up your recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase, and store it securely offline in multiple locations. This phrase is the only way to recover your crypto if you lose access to your wallet. Treat it like you would treat cash. If someone gets it, they can steal your cryptocurrency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.